Hello and welcome back to the channel. So, myself, Kian, Milo, I've come blackberry picking. Now I want the blackberries for a beer that I'm going to brew, but you can use them in lots of things. You can make jam, pies, cordials, just eat them as they are. They're quite abundant in the UK. I'll show you a quick book that I use to identify, but I think most people in the UK can identify blackberries, hedgerow berries basically. Okay, so let's get picking. So the book I use is the River Cottage Handbook number 7, Hedgerow. Really good book actually if you want to go and do some foraging. On page 66, see there, blackberries, and it says scrambling arching description, 3 meters, leaves with 3 to 5 leaflets, oval, pointed, serrated edge, hairy, white underside, stem with backward pointed, strong, sharp thorns, flowers 5 petaled, white to pale pink, fruit consisting of many dark purple to black segments. It's also got a picture there as well. Habitat, woods, hedgerows, waste ground gardens, all soil types, but does not like very wet conditions. Distribution extremely common throughout the British Isles except the Scottish Highlands. Season berries from August until mid-October. Well, we've got a right mix of selection here, and we're just hitting the end of August now. Distinct personality, but few have quite a lot. Sorry, plants often possess a distinct personality, but few have one quite as large as that of a common blackberry. This untidy, sprawling, invasive shrub is self-confident to the point of bushiness, yet more generous than any other plant in this book. So yeah, so there's a picture, there's a description, habitat, distribution, season, lots more information on here. There's lots of different things in this book, lots of different ones, crab apples, all sorts. But let's go and see if we can pick some blackberries for the blackberry bitter that I'm going to be brewing. So as you can see, we really want the best fruits. That's what we want. We don't want the red ones. We're looking for the dark ones to start picking on. Really want some of the real good decent stuff as well. Some of this is just gonna see them. Put them in a tub. Don't forget to bring a tub along. Lots of the fruits have gone, lots of the, obviously the wildlife has taken it. It's horses around here as well, and you get your birds, everything else, other people foraging, so there's lots of it. But yeah, luckily for me I don't need too much for the beer, just need to get some. So I'll carry on picking and I'll come back when I've got a few more. As you can see, the fruits aren't huge here. Quite fiddly, quite messy, quite ripe. Some aren't ripe, but just remember, always pick them above knee height for obvious reasons with animals. So you've got to get in there really, get stuck in. As you can see, here's another lot. A lot of them again been taken by the birds or over ripe. Found another bush, so let's have a go here now. Found another little haul here. Don't know if I can show you trying to pick them. I mean, you might be better off if you wanted to wear gloves or something, but yeah, you just get out with a bag and a box and get as many as you can. The other thing worth noting is try and go somewhere where there's no traffic. You don't want any type of pollution. You got to remember you're going to be eating this stuff or drinking it, so you don't want any fumes. So you've got to try and get out in the fields really. They're not the biggest ones here. I have got another place where I normally go, so I might go and give that a go. You find that some of these are quite ripe and they just fall into bits as well. So trying to get the ones that are a little bit firmer, like that. Like I say, I'm in the north west of England, probably in the south. I don't know, they may have had the time now, but these are definitely getting to close to the time. There's a few there still not ripened. The other thing that we need to know when we're doing this is make sure you're not trespassing, or if you go on someone's land, get permission. And yeah, it's quite important that. So, and what else should I say? If you're in a public park or somewhere, also be careful, because you never know, it might have been sprayed with some sort of pesticides. Again, it's not something you want to be eating or drinking. So we've had a little forage round. We've got some blackberries, not got the best haul. We've got another location might have to go to. So we've come to the second destination, and there is loads here, which I thought there would be. So yep, more of a bounty. But what I have got here is enough to do the blackberry bitter, so I'm happy with that. So this is my little haul. So we've got blackberries or brambles. We've got 500 grams in the end. I'm going to stew this down, no sugar in it, and then I'll freeze it for when I want to use it in the bitter. So the bramble bitter, blackberry bitter will have 500 grams of the fruit added. I look forward to trying that. Just a small haul, but yeah, it's just a quick video to show you blackberries, and if you can get out there and make use. But what I do say is be careful, use some sort of guidelines, don't just go and eat any fruit, just make sure you're eating the right fruit. Yeah, don't just go off this video, get some backup, do a little bit of research. Okay, thanks for watching. Cheers from me, Kian, Milo, blackberries that we've got for the bitter, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.